Hey guys, welcome back to Gavin's Garage. Today we have two Duromax. We're going to be running those Duromax in parallel. 9,000 watts, 9,000 watts. We're going to combine it with this parallel kit. This one is made for the Duromax. And we're going to be running these off of one propane tank. I have a 40-pound propane tank. I just wanted to kind of show you guys the comparison next to a 15-pounder. Okay, it's a huge difference. This propane tank, you can buy this online. It has wheels on it, so it makes it real easy to move around. I can parallel it with the generator, but unfortunately, I did not fill this yet, so it's empty. So I'm going to be using this 15-pounder just to demo this right here. You could use one tank to run two generators if you're running parallel. You don't have to parallel this big beast right here, but just showing you guys, if you have two small 2,000 watt, 3,000 watt, 4,500s, you can use one tank. So let's try it real quick. I'm just gonna run them off one tank and kind of show you guys what it looks like. Another thing I want to show you guys is someone made a comment. They said that the Duromax 9000 has CO guard, the carbon monoxide detectors. They do, but Gen 1 did not have the CO guard. Okay, if you watch real close, you do not see CO guard on here. This is Gen 1. This one over here is Gen 2. See, now it has CO alert right here, CO monitor. See? So that's the difference. You have to know which one you have. I'm going to show you guys something. On Gen 2, watch it real close. Let's go back to Gen 1. If you notice, the CO monitor is right here. What's missing? This is missing, right? So you have Gen 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you got the 4-pin, the 3-pin, and four 120 volt plugs. Let's see what we get on the Gen 2. You got your 4-pin and 120 volt plug. No 3-pin. No 30 amp 3-pin. Just you go from the 4-pin to the 120 volt pins. You still have your parallel, but you lose that because of the monitor. They also placed a breaker right here for this one. On the Gen 1, they have one breaker on top for all three. You see that? So that's the difference. Do you have Gen 1 or Gen 2? Okay, let's go ahead and open the gas. Get that open. You come over here, you select gas or propane. We're going to leave it on propane. Turn your power on. That's your main power. That's low idle. Turn the power on. Okay, let's try again. There you go. If you hit it once, it don't start, just wait. It'll start again. Cycle the power. It's on propane. Low idle mode on. Hold it down. First time starting in a while off propane, so had to bleed the lines. Okay guys, see? So you got two 9,000 watt generator paralleled with the parallel kit running off one single tank. So if you do if you do want to parallel your generators, you can get one of these adapters. I'll put this in the description for you, so you can get that and use that to parallel 2 generators with 1 propane tank. Okay guys, just a real quick video. I just wanted to demo that for you guys to show you that you can run your 2 generators, especially you guys have the small generators and you don't have to carry 2 propane tank when you go camping. You can just use 1 and adapt it to run both, okay? And your parallel kit. So everything's parallel, gas and power. This one right here, you have the 30 amp 240 volt and 50 amp 240 volt. They both have breakers on them. It's a pretty nice parallel kit. You get the 30 amp, the 120 volt 30 amp for RVs. That's the one we use if you have a 30 amp RV. So if you have Gen 1, you don't have CO, but you got the 30 amp. You got Gen 2, you got the CO alert, but you lose the 30 amp plug. All right guys, just real quick video. I just wanted to show that to you guys. Okay guys, while we're at it, I'm gonna show you this propane bottle. It's a 40 pound propane bottle, and it has wheels, so it makes it real easy to move around. And when it's filled up, that's really nice. It comes with a gauge, so you know that it's full, and it can run in both positions. You can run it like this, because there's feet in the front on the wheel. You can run it on the side like this. The gauge still works. Or you can run it standing up. I really like that. 40 pounds. So you're actually doubling your whatever the rated one says if you're running it on 1. Real nice bottle. You should check this out. I'm gonna put this in the link as well. Okay? Okay guys, as usual, if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and give me a subscribe. Please subscribe if you watch my videos. Hit the subscribe button. Guys, thanks so much. Have a nice day. Bye. Okay guys, thanks for watching my videos. Have a nice day. Bye.